Now at first glance this one looks like we don't have enough information, but let's dig into it and see what happens here. We've got the x minus 1 and we have a 4th degree polynomial here. So with the setup there, you got 4 compartments to begin with, and you've got your x minus 1 over here. Your x to the 4th power, plus 0x cubed minus 2x squared plus plus 0x minus 1 plus 1. And then we have nothing here over yonder. So right here I've got my x to the 4th power, which is going to give me an x to the 3rd power up here. And that x to the 3rd times negative 1 is a negative x to the 3rd. Since there's nothing here, that's got to be a positive x to the 3rd. Well, x goes into that. That's a positive x squared. X squared times negative 1 is a negative 1x squared. That and something else is going to give you this here. This is another negative 1x squared. Well, this is going to be a minus 1x times a negative 1 is a positive 1x. So the positive 1x and a negative 1x is going to give me a negative 1 here. And negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1. And so we have factored the polynomial. This is an x minus 1. And I don't know. Oh, we're going to have to factor this by grouping. That is exciting. So we're going to take what we have up here, and I'm going to have to maneuver it somewhere else. And I've got an x cubed plus x squared minus 1x minus 1. And if I factor by grouping, I can take out an x squared. And I can take out, when I do that, I've got an x plus 1 remaining. What can I do here? Well, I can take out a minus 1. What do I have left? I have an x plus 1. With that in mind, I can now remove an x plus 1. Okay, so I've got an x plus 1. But look what I have left over here. I have an x squared minus 1, which, guess what, folks? That can be factored. Oh, yes. So I'm just going to put the results up here. This x plus 1 is my new entrance to the fully factored form. And an x squared minus 1 becomes an x plus 1. And an x minus, and that